A clip of Mangwabe having lunch with a man who is not Musa Mseleku have caused a stir on social media, especially on Facebook. Could this mean that Mangwabe has officially left Musa Mseleku for another man? Let us talk about that and more here on this video, but first, I want to request you guys to like it. And if you haven't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos. So, enjoy this video. You know, if there is one family that is able to sell their product or that is good in marketing, that is the Mseleku family. You know, these guys will make you watch the show, hate them or love them, but at the end, you will watch their show. Whoever is doing their PR is doing a sterling job. So I'm saying their PR team is good because after Musa Mseleku announced number 5 on the recent season of Uthando Nesithembu, everyone expecting Mangwabe to leave Mseleku, since she said that she will leave once the 5th wife comes. So recently, Mangwabe decided to post a video that you are seeing on your screen right now. Well, it's not really Mangwabe who posted the clip. It's actually a clip from a restaurant that Mangwabe attended with this unknown man. And of course, they were never going to post the clip without her consent. So she did give a consent to this TikTok page to post this clip. And on the clip, Mangwabe is with this man, as I've mentioned before. They are looking very happy, and you can see that Mangwabe made sure that the clip is convincing. And the aim was to shake up the country a little bit. I mean, they knew that people were going to believe that this is her new man and that she left Musa after the number 5 saga. But hey, I guess some South Africans are too smart for that, because on the comment section, some fans revealed the truth. So ladies and gentlemen, the guy on the picture is Mangwabe's brother and her business partner. People who have watched the previous seasons of Uthando Nesithembu will remember that Mangwabe introduced this guy on the show when they were about to launch iMaqaqa, and they were saying that this is her brother. There's also a picture of him together with Musa Mseleku. So sorry for disappointing, ladies and gentlemen. I know that many South African females wanted Mangwabe to leave, but sorry, this is not her new man, it's just his brother. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So do like the video if you enjoyed this content, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.